So we have the second method, numerical second method, that is Newton-Raphson method. Here we are, if you are interested to get the root of the equation of the form f of x equal to 0, that we can find with the help of Newton-Raphson method. Now here for Newton-Raphson method, we have to write, see, for regular Folsey method, you require two values. If you remember, x0 and x1, am I right? You wanted two values, then from these two values you have calculated x2, am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But for Newton-Raphson method, if you know only one value, this is called as initial approximation. So if you know only one value, easily you can calculate it. So this is the first difference. What is that? Instead of two values, if you have only one value, that is the initial approximation, that is enough. We can solve it by Newton-Raphson method. So the formula for this is given by xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. Carefully just see, this divided by f dash is only for this function. It's not entirely divided by, where the n values are going to start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is called as like an iterative formula. This is called as Newton-Raphson iterative formula. The word iterative means you just use it more repeatedly. If you go on using this formula more repeatedly, that is called iterative. Or else you can say for the finding the value, C will not get the answer in one step. Like if you remember for regular falsy also, we have done it for 2-3 steps. Likewise here we will not get the answer in one step. We have to repeat it. For example, x is the value required. First we start with x0. Next value we obtain it as x1. Next is x2. Next is x3, like this. So if you want to calculate x3, you take the help of x2. To calculate x2, we take the help of x1. Similarly, to calculate x1, we take the help of x0. So this is like a repetitive type of process named as iterative method. Okay, understood about the word? Yeah, this is iterative formula. Now what we do, just put n equal to 0. Tell me what you'll get. Or else. Okay, let it, this is the iterative formula. You have to remember this and write it properly. One more thing, this is my f of x. What is f dash of x denotes? What is f dash of x?
Differentiation.
Derivative of
Differentiation.
f of x. Correct, with respect to x. Now, have you used the derivative in case of regular Folsey method? Have you used any f
No.
dash and all
No.
in the formula?
No.
No, no. We don't use. See the difference I am telling. In regular Folsey, you require two values. In Newton-Raphson, only one value is enough. In regular Folsey, no f dash is required, but in Newton-Raphson, we want f dash to be calculated. Okay. Why I'm telling the comparison, so that you should not get confused. Suppose if you apply a reverse way, if they have asked NR method and if you write for RF method, answer will be correct, but you will not get marks. So be careful. NR method means this and RF method means we have the previous class. We have discussed about it. Okay. Yes. So I'll take one example and start solving it. You can just see here. Okay, I think I will again choose the same model question paper only. Can you see this question? Just make a note of it. We are going to solve it. Question number 4a. Find the real root of the equation x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0 near x equal to minus 1, correct to 4 decimal places by Newton-Raphson method. Copied the question?
No, ma'am.
Write it fast. Find a real root of the equation x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0 near x equal to minus 1, correct to 4 decimal places by using Newton-Raphson method. Okay. Shall we solve? Or still copying the question? Hmm? Okay, hopefully written the whole question. Okay. So now what we
Yes,
have to do? Yeah, what we have to do here is, first thing, you have to take f of x equal to the given function. How you should take? You should take in a way, okay, you should take in a way that all the terms are on one side and you should remain with a 0 on the other side. So no problem. In this, it is given like that. Can anybody help me? X cube plus x square plus 3x plus
3x plus 4.
4. Okay. And they have told near x equal to minus 1. The meaning near x equal to minus 1 means the value x naught, we have to take it as minus 1. Understood? Hmm? This means x naught should be taken as minus 1. Okay. Now, one more thing. Here, this is cubic equation, isn't it? How many roots you get for a cubic?
2, ma'am.
There will be 3 roots. But here the question asked is find a real root of. So actually, by this method, we get the root, but will not find all the 3. We'll find only 1. Did you get the difference between your usual way or and this way? Okay, by using Newton-Raphson, we could get only 1 real root if you apply the process. If you want again 2 more roots, no, again you have to apply the process. Am I clear with this? Yes or no? There are three roots, but we cannot find all the 3 roots at once. But question asked is find a real root. That means only if you find only one value of x, that is also enough. Got it? Say either yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Hopefully you had your food. Yeah. Yeah. Differentiate it now with respect to x because we want in the formula. What is the derivative of x cube?
3x square.
3x square. Derivative of x square?
2x.
2x. Derivative of 3x?
3.
3. Derivative of 4?
0.
0. Done. Okay. So for what do you have to do? Take f of x, find f dash of x, and if they have given near some value, take that as x naught. Okay. This is the first part. Now after this, all of you just write this. By Newton-Raphson, iterative formula, we have xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. This is the important formula to be remembered. Then write comma n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Yeah. Now this is a Newton-Raphson formula. First, which is the first value of n to be used here? You can see here clearly.
0.
Then next line put n equal to 0. Suppose if n is 0, what will get? This is x. 0 plus 1 is how much? Do answer,
Yes, ma'am.
please. X1 is equal to n is 0 means it is x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Correct? Nothing I did. Just wherever n was there, we substituted it as 0. Okay. This is called as actually the first approximation. X naught is called as initial. X1 is called as actually first approximation. Means here you will not get the answer directly, you will get some approximations. So when you go for 3, 4 approximation, no, ultimately you will end up with the answer. Okay. Now, x naught is what? See the thing and tell me. What is x
Minus
naught?
1. Minus
Yeah,
1.
minus 1. So this is minus 1. This is minus f of minus 1 divided by f dash of minus 1. Hope clear? Nothing much.
Yes.
All x naught I replaced it as minus 1. So this is minus 1 minus. Just to see, I want f of minus 1. How can I get f of minus 1?
In place of x, we put
Yeah.
the -1.
Yes. So I'll call this as equation 1. I'll call it as equation 2. So to avoid the confusion. So in equation 1, you replace your x by -1 and tell me what you'll get. -1 cube is -1 and +1 cancels. 3 into -1 means -3 plus 4 is how much?
1.
One,
Plus
ma'am.
1. Easy. Okay. Similarly, if I want f dash of -1, how can I get? How can we calculate? How can I get f dash of -1?
In place of f dash of x, put -1.
Yeah. In equation 2, replace your x by -1. So see, this is 3 into -1 square means 3 plus 2 into -1 means -2. So 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. 1 plus
One,
3.
ma'am.
1 plus
4.
3. 4.
4.
Okay, this is simple value. So I thought, let me just take it like this. Yeah. Just take all of you in the calculator and just tell me what you'll get. See, this is 1/4 means 0.25, correct? So you have to add it. I think
-1.25.
1.25.
Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. This is the value. Now, how can I confirm whether the answer is right or no is just see what they have given in the question that the real root lies in near -1. Is my answer is near -1 or very away? Very much difference is there. Is this value nearer to -1, yes or no?
Yes.
Obviously, yes. Correct. So this is nearer. That means when you get no, so when you have an interval, so the value lies in that interval. So here also when they say that nearer to some values, your answer obtained should be nearer to that. Take care of that. Okay. Now, this is x1, which is called as first approximation. Better keep it in a box. Now, in the same formula, this iterative formula, now put next value of n. What is the next value of n? Take it as 1. If this in this formula, if I put x n as 1, what I'll get? X 1 plus 1 is how much?
2.
2. N is 1 means x1 f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. All of you agree with this? Can you tell me what this is called as? This is x2. Second approximation. x1 is first, x2 is second approximation. Now substitute the values. What is x1? x1 is minus 1.25 minus f of minus 1.25 divided by f dash of minus 1.25. Yeah, just calculate these all values. So again in equation 1, replace your x by minus 1.25. See this I cannot now do it like directly. I require a calculator, correct? So you people just calculate and tell me the answer. F of minus 1.25. Take like this, minus 1.25 cube plus minus 1.25 square.
Minus 0.1.
Minus 0.14.
Minus it is, okay. 1 second.
Minus into minus directly put it plus.
I'll write it because later on you should know this value. So I'm writing 0.14.
Yeah, ma'am.
That's all. Okay. Yeah, in equation 2, you replace your x by minus 1.25. Hope you know how to do it. 3 into minus 1.25 square plus 2 into minus 1.25. All of you operate calculator, please. Otherwise, these marks will.
5.187.
How much?
5.187.
187. Okay. Now do this calculation. So See, while doing this, be very careful. First, you calculate this. What is this? Minus into minus plus. Okay. So you calculate like this. 0.14 divided by 5.187. Then take minus 1.25. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. If you just divide it, no, it divides the whole thing. Lastly, if you divide. Be careful about the calculation.
Minus 1.22.
1.22.
Minus 1.22.
22.
After 2,
3.
yeah, if you tell me 4 decimal, that is far better. If they are there.
0, ma'am. Next.
0.
After 0,
0.
okay, leave it then. If zeros are there, not to worry. So this is my x2. Is my answer right? Approximately?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it not? This is again nearer to minus 1 only. The difference is now reduced. Okay. Now continue. What is the next value of n I have to take?
2.
2. Correct. So then what I'll get? Which approximation I'll get? Third approximation. Can you tell me the formula? X3 is? See, you can see the symmetry over here.
x2
Very
minus x2 minus f of
x2
x2.
minus. All of you repeat, no, it will be very good for you. So many students I have seen, they don't write the formula only correctly. If formula is wrong, we cannot give any marks. So be careful. Yeah, take x2 value like this and calculate it. You know how to do it. I'll not explain for this step now. Is it okay? Yeah, for f of the value, use equation 1. For f dash of the value, use equation 2. So minus 1.223 minus. I want this answer.
Minus 2.547.
Minus 0.
Ma'am, 2.547.
I don't
No,
think
ma'am.
so that is
Minus
correct.
0.0025.
See why I'm telling, see this is f of the value. F of the value, if you remember, no, it goes nearer to 0. If I'm getting minus 0.14, next time it is more nearer to 0. See, take carefully plus and minus. Do it once again if your answer is wrong, please. Now if you try more, okay, if doubts are less, it is good for you. Use in equation 2. See how I have written, no, same.
5.04.
How much?
5.04.
I did not hear it properly.
04.
5.04. Just check once again.
Yes, ma'am. 04.
Yes, ma'am, it's a 504 only.
Okay, after 4.
1, 2.
1.
1.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am, 1, 2.
yeah, just do this calculation now. First you take this division and then take this minus of this value. Minus 1.2. Approximately I can guess. 2.
Minus 1.2234, ma'am.
2, 3.
After 3.
5, ma'am.
5 is there. Okay. Write for 4 decimal because they have asked in the example to write it for 4 decimal places. Okay, this is third approximation. Let us find one more. See, the difference is actually very less, but we can go for one more. Yeah, just put n equal to 3. We'll get the fourth approximation. If they're not mentioned, you can go for till 4 approximations. If the difference is larger, no, you have to go for one more. Can't help. Yeah, you know the substitution. minus 1.2235 minus f of minus 1.2235 divided by f dash of minus 1.2235. Minus 1.2235 minus, see again this value will be more nearer to 0. I don't know positive or negative, but nearer to 0. That much I can tell. Maybe 3 zeros you may get. Anybody with the answer? F of
minus 0.0050.
check 0050. This converges towards 0. That is the problem. That is the thing.
Yes, ma'am. 0.0050.
Same,
Yes, ma'am.
same means no, no, I can't do anything. Okay, now next denominator f dash.
Ma'am, I'm getting minus 0.278.
Which one? Numerator. After
Yeah.
decimal, how many zeros?
Ma'am, no zero.
No zero means you are wrong. See this value, no? This is see x3 means it is now the root you can say. So f of that value means it will be nearer to 0. Do it once again. See, you are not taking cube and all properly. See, there is in calculator option as x cube. So directly you can take it as value.
5.0438.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, all of you do the calculation. Now I can tell you minus 1.223. This much will be same. Maybe little difference.
Same, ma'am.
Same 5, yeah?
Same, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Therefore,
Ma'am, I am getting minus 1.2225.
Anand, try once again, just see where you are done mistake.
Ma'am, 1 point minus
Ma'am,
1.725.
Ma'am, actually that third approximation was minus 1.225.
I am correct. Minus 1.2225.
You should tell me that time only, right? Calculator you people are holding. Okay, let it be. Shall I change it now? Change in your calculation. 225. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just see, otherwise later on again don't tell me to change. You should
No,
be
ma'am.
careful about the
3.25.
calculation. Now you just do the calculation and tell me what you'll get the answer. Now is it 2235 or what? Or you have to recheck. Otherwise, you can leave this space blank and just do the calculation. You understood know how to do it. No doubt answer is important. No doubt in that. But you should get a correct value. Take care of that. And you should understand the method. That is important. Yeah, all of you confirm the answer. Last one, x4.
Ma'am, minus 1.221.
Is it 221? Is the answer?
Yes, ma'am, 2215.
No, don't change. Okay, all of you check with your calculation and tell me now last answer. X4. 2215. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Others also should answer. Shall we go with this answer?
Minus 1.225.
225, ma'am.
2225.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, all of you just confirm. See, after writing also, no, just you can go through that and just confirm it once again, and then just check something has gone wrong. Maybe these values, what you have taken, I don't know. Okay, I think these are going to change.
Ma'am, they have taken, instead of 2, they have taken 3, I think.
Okay, is the last answer 2225 yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. 2225, correct, ma'am.
225.
Yeah, all of you can again check it. No worries with that. Method is important over here. Okay, so this is how it has to be calculated. Okay, one more example is there. Okay, now let me
Ma'am,
just
scroll
go for
down,
it.
please.
Down or up?
Third, down, ma'am.
Third approximation here.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And just write down this question number 4A, all of you will solve it. This is one of the very important and typical problems. All please have calculator in your hand, else you will not understand it. Huh? Take from me. Okay, hope written the question. Now tell me what is f of x we have to take. F of x is, what is the given equation?
X sin x plus cos x is equal
Yes,
to
x
0.
sin x plus cos x equal to 0. Sometimes they just transfer this cos x and give you the equation, but take all the terms on one side. Okay. Now they have given that it is near x equal to pi. What is the meaning? What we have to take pi as?
X ma'am.
X naught, because this is Newton-Raphson method. So let x naught equal to pi. What else is required to substitute in the formula? F
X
dash.
not as a pi, ma'am.
F dash value. Okay, now differentiate it. How can I differentiate x into sin x? Which rule? Product rule,
Chain rule.
UV rule. So x as it is, sin x derivative is cos x. Now keep sin x as it is, derivative of, okay, derivative of x is 1. Now what is derivative of cos x? Minus sin x.
Minus sin x.
Right, correctly. Okay, so what happens here? These two will go, am I right? What will remain with? X cos x. So your f dash of x is not lengthy, it is just x cos x. Okay, now write the iterative formula. So Newton-Raphson iterative formula is xn plus 1 equal to, always write the general format, xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn, correct? What are the values of n starts from? 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, now put n equal to 0. So we'll get the first approximation. Tell me the formula for x1. X naught minus f of x naught divided by
F X not divided by F dash of
f
X naught.
dash of x naught. Very good. Now x naught is pi. So this is pi minus f of pi divided by f dash of pi. I'll call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. All of you take calculator. Can anybody tell me what is the first thing you have to do in calculator?
Radians, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so you have to convert your calculator from degree to radian mode. Done? Just search in calculator where can you find this pi. Pi value is fixed in your calculator. Pi. Where it is?
Ma'am.
Shift,
Below 3, ma'am. Below 3.
the 3. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
below 3, or you can say top of exponential, right? So I want the top of exponential means I have to press shift and take that value. Am I right? Just all of you just confirm what is the value of pi first. Shift and
3.141.
3.141.
yeah, this is the value of pi. Okay, let it be. Now for this, in the beginning, we'll use it as pi only and we'll calculate it. This is very important. If you do wrong thing, okay, it is very difficult. Huh? Okay, so this is pi. Keep it as pi only. Don't substitute now 3 point. Somehow you have it. Now f of pi. F of pi, if I want means which equation I have to use? We have to use
Equation one.
equation 1.
Equation 1.
Equation 1. Yeah, all of you take calculator and take x value as pi and calculate. See how it should be. How it should be. Pi, then sine, bracket pi, plus cos, bracket pi,
-1.
-1. All are getting same. If you don't change it to radian, you will get different answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is -1. Just confirm, just confirm. We usually how we do it, we know. Okay, so pi will keep as pi only. What is sine pi?
0.
Sine pi is
Zero.
0, correct? We have used it. And what is cos pi?
1.
Minus 1. Cos of 2
minus.
pi is plus 1. Cos of pi is -1. So answer is -1, isn't it? This usually we do it theoretically, but even calculator gives you, but you should change the mode. Okay, so what is the value of f of pi is -1. I'll keep it like this. Now, f dash of pi. F dash of pi means again, this is x cos x, correct? So use the value like this. Pi cos of bracket pi. Use this. All of you use it and tell me what is the answer.
-1.
Now it's minus pi.
Minus pi. Okay. Now you can take the value like this. I'll just tell you how to take in calculator. This is now minus into minus plus divided by again minus pi. You first calculate 1 by pi and you can attach a minus to this, or take -1 by pi, then plus pi. Take like this only in calculator. Take it carefully. If you're taking like this, you can take a bracket. -1 divided by pi, then like this. This is correct calculation.
3.459, ma'am.
3 pointer.
Ma'am, 2.82.
2.8.
2.8232.
2.8232, correct.
32 is correct.
32.
That's what
Yes,
I said. Now why the thing is, if you don't take like this and all proper calculation, no proper way, your answer is going to be wrong. And it comes not in practicing in exam, you should practice it during the class hours. Okay, confirm now, all of you. Are you getting this? This is one of very
Yes, ma'am.
important example. Please give more preference for this. Now put n equal to 1. So that will get second approximation. Don't see the general formula. Can anybody tell me what is x2 direct formula? X2 is
x1 minus f of x1,
divided by,
f dash of x1.
yes, very good. So now x1, what I have to write x1 as 2.8232. Let us just take x1 like this. So it is 2.8232 minus f of 2.8232.
After 2 it is 8, ma'am. That's why it is make it 3 round up.
After 2 again.
Two.
Okay, 3. Make it 3. No issues. See, this is approximate. This is like actually, we don't take it for only one step, no. So when you go on doing it, it will recorrect. That is why we have to go for more approximations. Okay, you are also right. Take it as 8233. Keep it in radian mode only, don't change. You know now how to take. So where all I have taken pi, no, you take it as 2.8233.
Ma'am,
It will-
f dash of 2.8233, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Spandana ahead, f of
I am getting,
2.8233.
ma'am, I am getting minus 0.0659.
Minus 0.59.
0659.
Okay. See this value.
Yes, ma'am,
See,
correct.
yeah. See, you should be very careful. This value in Newton-Raphson, what you take, no, this numerator f of the value should go towards 0. Because no, this is x1. This is actually the approximation for, means it is nearer answer for our required answer. So f of that value means it has to satisfy the equation f of x equal to 0, correct? No. So this value when you take, no, it will be nearer to 0.
Ma'am, that I'm getting as minus 0.06623.
Are you
Yes,
happy?
ma'am.
Take it. It's okay. Yeah.
They
See,
have taken 8233 and we have taken 8232.
okay. Just see it. Okay. If you have taken 3, 2, you proceed what value you have got. I have written 3, 3, so I'll write it as 6. What you said?
23.
2, 3. See, and those who are having some difference, no, not to worry. It will be recorrected and you will get the answer. You take 3, 2. You have maintained it as 3, 2. Take it. And according to that,
Yes,
what
yes.
answer you get, you take that. I'm not saying you are wrong. Because it is
Ma'am,
approximate answer.
ma'am, x2 2.7987.
ಇದೊಂದ value ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡಪ್ಪ. What is f dash?
Ma'am, that is minus 2.6814.
So answer is what you said, 2.7.
7987. Ma'am, 2.7987.
Okay, not. 1 second. Let me write it. 7987.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to continue like that.
Huh?
We have to continue.
We need to continue as this is still second approximation. Huh? Put n equal to 2. Third approximation formula is what? Hopefully all are getting similar. Maybe some change, huh? Maybe 80, 82, 83, whatever it is, but nearer to this answer. X2
I'm getting
minus what you are getting?
8.6, ma'am.
8.6. Okay, no worries, no worries. Okay, please do write it that only. Maintain that, that's all. There should not be a larger difference. Take care of that. This is 2.7987. F of 2.7987 divided by f dash of 2.7987. 2.7987 minus, tell me f of 2.7987 is how much? It will be minus 0. Maybe 2 zeros. Or maybe more than that. I'm not sure. All of you calculate it. X sin x plus cos x. In that replace x by 2.7987.
Ma'am, it is minus 0.00082 or
Very
83. 83.
8. Okay, 83. Let us take 83. Just see, this is it not? Is it converging towards 0? More. Okay. Now this value, one more value you take. F dash of 2.7987. X cos x. This into cos of the same value.
Minus 2.636.
Yes, ma'am.
636. Huh? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Do it now. The whole calculation. Just see, this is negative altogether. So take it as minus 0.00083 divided by 2.636. Then you add this value. 2.7 or 8. Do check.
Ma'am, 2.7983.
83. Okay.
Yeah.
Others, same answer.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Okay. Yeah. Take one more last. Fourth approximation. Actually, the difference is very less, but let us take fourth approximation. X3 minus, and sometimes so they say that do it for 3 approximation, 3 iterations. So that time you can stop at third. Here in this question, they have not mentioned, so I'm doing till fourth. Yeah, you know what to substitute and all that. You can write that all. And tell me f of this value, 2.7983.
Ma'am, 0.50241.
See, here only 5 zeros, that means it is now, we can stop the process. What you said after 5 zeros?
241.
241. Okay, very big. This is minus 2.6. Calculate, no?
Yes, ma'am.
2.7983 cos of 2.7983. This is simple.
Minus 2.63.
63. Okay. Do the calculation. I think it will be 798. Is it 3 or 4 or 2? You should be fast enough and also accurate.
Yes, ma'am.
2.798.
For M2, not to worry. Numerical will take time, but you will be having lot of time in while writing M2. Only for M4 you need to manage the timing. That is important. But this is numerical will take more time. Tell me 798
983, ma'am.
83. Sure, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what in the question they have asked for how many decimal places? Or nothing
4
is
decimal
mentioned?
places.
4 decimal. Okay, let us round it off then. Okay, I think all digits will get. Therefore, x equal to 2.7983. This is called as what? The required real root of given equation. Yes. Is it clear regarding Newton-Raphson method?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Let me give one example where all of you are going to try with that. Okay, will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll give you the equation, or else I think we have that question here only. Just 1 second. So for this equation, they have not given any nearer to which value. So just put x as some 0. Okay, then you will get the value as negative. So for this property to satisfy f of a into f of b less than 0, I'm interested in one more value which should be positive. Okay, so here it is satisfied. Correct. So what this means, root lies in which interval? See, when you say that f of a into f of b less than 0, we say that the root lies in a comma b. Correct? Now here f of 0 into f of 1 is less than 0. It lies in 0 comma 1. Now, suppose if you are dealing with regular falsy, this is my x0 and this is my x1. Got it? Did you recall? Okay. Now,
Yes,
I'm
yes.
dealing with which method here?
Newton-Raphson.
Newton-Raphson. How many values are required?
1.
Only one starting point. So if you want a starting point, no, don't take 0, don't take 1. Preferably take the midpoint. Got it? Preferably take the midpoint. See, you can start with any value between 0 to 1 you can take. Don't take before 0 or after 1. So you can even take 0.2, 0.3, anything you can take. So I take it as 0.5. No problem. So let x0 is equal to 0.5. Because this is some approximation, I'm just taking a nearer value, that's all. Now, in this Newton-Raphson method, along with f of x, what is required? F dash. Am I right?
Dash.
Yeah. What is the derivative of x e raised to x minus 2? How to do for x e raised to x?
X12 EX.
Yeah, x into e raised to x plus e raised to x into 1, no? Product rule.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus, what is the derivative of 2?
0.
0. So you can write this in the form e raised to x into 1 plus x. This is better. When you even take the calculation, no, you should take it as 1 plus x, add it first, and then take e raised to the power that what x you take. Okay. Now, Newton-Raphson formula, you know how to write it. Hope you have written it. Okay. Then, what is x1 formula?
X0 minus
X
f of x0.
minus
F of x0 divided by?
F dash of x0.
Okay. Yeah. So x0 is 0.5 I'm taking. If you have taken 0.4, you take it. No problem. It is not compulsory, huh? Starting, this is some initial. Initial, anybody can start with any value, but it should be nearer. Okay. Then f dash of 0.5. Yeah, just do this calculation and tell me. In the function, no? Here. In the function, you
2.473.
f of 0.5, yeah?
No, ma'am. Wait.
No. How you should take, no? 0.5, then e. Don't take the power again. If you operate exponential, that means e raised to x.
Ma'am,
If
it
you
is minus 1.175.
minus
1.175.
1.175. All of you do check
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Correct.
f dash. See here very easily what you can do, no? X is 0.5. What is 0.5 plus 1 is 1.5. Take like this, 1.5 e raised to 0.5. Answer. F dash.
2.473.
2.473.
473.
Okay. Do this. This is now minus into minus plus. No problem. 1.175 divided by 2.473 plus 0.5.
9751.
0.9751. Okay. See, is this value between 0 to 1, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this difference may be larger. This difference is very large comparatively. But let it be, because this is what we have chosen it. Am I right? So beginning the difference will be more. When you just go on applying the method, no, it reduces. Yeah, just will you able to continue with this? Yeah, again, x2
Ma'am, I
is
am getting 0. I'm getting 0.9743, ma'am.
ನೀ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋ ನಡೀತೈತಿ ಭಾಳ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 5-1 ಮತ್ 4-3 ಅದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ there is no problem, take it. It depends how many digits you have taken. I don't know how you are performing by taking how many digits. Yeah, x1 is 0.9751. F of, yeah, tell me f of 0.9751, how much you'll get?
.585.
Minus or plus? Plus, huh?
Plus, ma'am.
Okay, 5. Next, f dash.
Ma'am, 585.
See, this is easy.
5.236.
1.9751 e raised to 0.9751. How much you said? 2.
No, 5.236.
5.236. See, this decreases and this increases, means obviously
Ma'am,
the answer
0.8633.
8633. Just see the difference here. Here the difference is 0.4. Now the difference is 0.1, no? So when you just repeat, no, the difference goes on reducing. Okay? Yes. Calculate x3. Every time you write the formula, huh? Please. Marks are there for that. Tell me f of 0.8633 answer.
0.046.
0466. Huh? Next. F dash of 0.8633 means 1.
Ma'am, 0.0462.
Either 62. Okay. Tell me f dash.
$4.417.
Now entire answer. Do this calculation.
0.852.
0.852.
Yes, ma'am.
After 2
Ma'am,
nodes,
0.7577.
not 8.
No, I'm getting 0.07.
All of you take this calculation part. Minus
Ma'am, I'm
0.
getting
0.852. 852.
Ma'am, I'm getting 0.720.
All of you take in calculator minus 0.0462 divided by 4.417 plus 0.8633. Now tell me the value.
0.852, ma'am.
852 only. Others
Yes,
who
ma'am.
were getting 0.7, please check.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it right? Okay.
Yes,
Better,
ma'am.
all have got little confusion. I want you to repeat and tell me X4. Meanwhile, in the chat box, write your number. So it will be nearly 0.852.